All right, Raw Frazier here. Haven't done a video in a while. Been battling some health issues. Uh, if you're out there listening to this video, take care of your health. I mean, when you're younger, you don't care. Yeah, health, blah, blah, blah. I do not give a crap. But once you get over 40 and different random things start happening and all of your decisions that you've made over your life start compounding, things start to break. You know, if you just take your car and you go down a highway 150 miles an hour and you just stay on it at 150 miles an hour, sooner or later, some pipes or something's gonna come start giving, and so that's basically kind of where I've been. But anyways, getting back into the videos, I just wanted to just drop a short one just to kind of get back into the swing of things. The internet income system, one time $20 and or $20 a month from Jeff Long. He created this course. I've been having problems with social media, especially lately, because I just did not feel like posting. My head wasn't in the game. I've been all over the place. I don't want to post. I feel like I'm always saying the same stuff. I don't want to talk to people. I don't want to get pitched. I'm antisocial, blah, blah, blah. But you can't really be a good internet marketer and be antisocial. Well, you can, but there's different ways around it. But what I wanted to share was I've always had trouble with what the heck to post on social media. And for $20, and believe you me, this course is worth way more than $20. I've been bought so many courses online, $500 courses, $1,000 courses, $1,500 courses, $2,000 courses, $2,500 courses. And absolutely, hands down, this is the best course that I've seen online, dollar for dollar, $20. And you will never, you go through this course and you will never not know what to post on social media ever again in your life. And he talks about how to use social media to find your ideal person to post that would attract that ideal person, how to make many different posts using artificial intelligence, spinning it so it sounds like your voice, and then uploading it into Canva and then pumping out 30, 60, and 90 pieces of content like ASAP. Canva has a thing to where you can take many different quotes and pair it with a picture and then automatically just spit out a whole bunch, like a whole month of content, different things like that. And just, not just that, but there's other tools and different things like that he recommends here. But that's all in this course for $20, and it will help you no matter what business you are in. You're in Live Good, you're in crypto, you're in Power Lead System. I'm just throwing out random names. You're in, whatever you're in. This will help you. So that being said, wrapping this video up. Underneath this video, I'm include a link to my own internet income system. And basically, internet income system, TextBot, and my software business, those three pieces, they will help you no matter what it is you're doing. And I highly recommend grabbing yourself, just grabbing this training. Grab the training one time, $20, see if you like it. If not, it's only $20. I'm sure you spent $20 on other things, a lot worse things. I spent $20 on Big Mac meals. That's catching up to me now. But anyways, Raw Frazier here. Talk to you next video.